Although cloud storage was a great innovation, it lacked backup protection and was controlled by a central authority. However, secure, cost-effective, and decentralized storage platforms have been launched with blockchain technology. STORJ and Filecoin belong to this category of platforms. Among many ideas that have found their application on the blockchain, data storage and cloud computing seem not to be given the attention they deserve. These platforms provide great utility but are oftentimes sitting in the shadows of the more hype-based projects. Decentralized data storage has many advantages over its centralized counterpart, and coins like STORJ and Filecoin are looking to capitalize on that. Each decentralized storage protocol attempts to offer the most competitive storage services. Both altcoins have been the emerging stars since 2017. Considering the growing demand for decentralized cloud storage, their value proposition, and the market's sheer size, many are interested in exploring these blockchain-based solutions. STORJ was founded in 2017 by STORJ Labs on the Ethereum network as an easy-to-use and affordable cloud storage platform. STORJ is for utility purposes for payment and rewards. He appeals to tenants and tenants. Farmers provide storage space, and tenants buy that space from them. Data is stored on the network using a shared mechanism. On the other hand, Filecoin was founded in 2017 by Protocol Labs, but the mainnet was launched in 2020 to serve as a data storage and retrieval platform. It uses a storage proof consensus mechanism composed of replication proof and space-time proof to validate operations on the network. While STORJ promises long-lasting data storage, of the two, Filecoin is more decentralized. STORJ is centralized and decentralized. Filecoin can store and distribute data. STORJ can only store it. STORJ was developed primarily for developers, but Filecoin supports a marketplace for raw data trading. Are you Team FIL or STORJ? Which coin do you think is better? Let us know in the comments. If you're not sure yet, make sure to watch the video in its entirety so that you can get a better idea of how to answer the question. Both support transactions between their service providers and users. Filecoin consists of a free matching market where customers and data providers can interact freely, while STORJ uses a market maker model where customers pay the platform to get their data services. The two do not charge a migration fee. STORJ accepts payments directly from users, while Filecoin uses its blockchain to solve service and settlement issues. The STORJ platform is Ethereum-based, meaning that the STORJ token is just one of many ERC20 standard tokens currently being traded on the crypto markets. The company recently migrated to the Ethereum ERC20 standard as it was previously operating on the counterparty protocol on the Bitcoin blockchain. STORJ is a peer-to-peer network made out of farmers and renters. Farmers rent out their spare hard drive space and bandwidth, while renters purchase said space and bandwidth using STORJ. The company claims this system is up to 10 times faster and 50% less expensive than traditional data center-based cloud storage solutions. Filecoin utilizes a proof-of-storage concept similar to POW to determine if a miner has actually conducted his storing-retrieving duties. The idea has two elements: proof of replication and proof of spacetime. Storage providers use proof of replication to show that they have stored a unique data set in their own space. Proof of spacetime enables storage providers to show that data has been stored over a specific time. This is done by requiring a storage provider to show sequential instances of proof of replication. Filecoin utilizes interplanetary file system for back-end storage. There is no default encryption when storing files, and files as a complete unit on a single IPFS back-end node. For storage, the network encrypts the file and breaks the file into pieces before uploading. Many nodes contain components of one file, meaning that different nodes have encrypted parts of the file. Therefore, it achieves a greater deal of decentralization. STORJ is also significantly smaller than Filecoin. It is in a better position in the decentralized storage landscape. This situation could be because of the popularity of the IPFS, which has a solid track record and significant partnerships to provide business. In all, decentralization continues to prove its utility across many sectors. The rise of decentralized cloud storage solutions like STORJ and Filecoin demonstrates that the blockchain has more utility than cryptocurrencies. Thanks to their security, reliability, and built-in privacy, decentralized cloud storage providers are disrupting the data storage business and may be the storage standard in the long term. Currently, Filecoin and STORJ are at the frontier of this movement, and it will be fascinating to witness their future growth. The price of FIL started surging in April 2020 after the announcement of its listing on the Gemini exchange with high trading volumes. In April 2019, FIL was trading at an average price of $4.50 and broke barriers in the last days of 2020 to trade above $20. Within days of the announcement, the Filecoin price rose more than 250%, trading above $200, and crypto experts said that was just the beginning for the decentralized token. December 2021 and January 2022 were difficult periods across the board for crypto, and Filecoin was no exception. By 31 January, the coin was trading at lows of $19.07. On 17 February, the team at digital asset firm BlockFi added 6 new crypto assets for their non-US clients via BlockFi International, including Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, Cosmos, and Filecoin. As reported by Smart Energy International, open-source decentralized R&D lab Protocol Labs has launched the $38 million Filecoin NNI Renewable Energy Fund. In partnership with solar community developer Nelnet Renewable Energy, the fund is intended to develop a portfolio of solar energy projects across the U.S. Despite Filecoin's adoption by numerous big data firms, including German digital asset company Luxfolio, Filecoin has yet to recover in the current long-running bear market. By 15 March, the token had hit further lows of $16.56. Digitalcoin Price's Filecoin price prediction estimates its value will be $27.12 in April. Its long-term Filecoin price prediction suggests it could be worth as much as $31.91 by April 2023, down to $25.40 by April 2024, $45.99 by April 2025, and $84.89 by 2030. Wallet Investor forecasts that the Filecoin price in a year will be just $1.28 and expects the token to continue on a general downtrend. PricePrediction.net is more optimistic, with a general year-on-year uptrend and a Filecoin price prediction for 2030 of $481.66. According to crypto experts and the token's technical analysis, Filecoin's value is capable of surging in the future. But when it comes to making a Filecoin prediction, it is essential to remember that crypto markets are highly volatile, making it difficult for analysts to accurately forecast what a coin's price will be in the future. At the same time, although not reaching the $3.91 all-time high witnessed on 28 March 2021, STORJ surged in November, hitting $2.99 by the 28th of that month. By 14 December, however, the price was down to $1.45 as the altcoin season came to a close. The value of STORJ continued to fall throughout January 2022, going as low as 93 cents on the 24th. The token broke below the 90-cent barrier on 24 February, and while the token has regained some ground since, it is still struggling to break above the dollar mark on 11 March. On a year-on-year basis, STORJ is up only 30%, making for mixed messages for the future prospects of the token. Of course, that depends on many factors and is not representative of the STORJ price prediction for 2025 or earlier. Aggregating the STORJ price prediction details from a range of analysts, the majority consensus is for a moderately bullish trend in the years ahead. Based on the last 30 days of market activity, Wallet Investors' continually updating predictor gives a 12-month forecast of $1.75. A price target of $5.21 over 5 years represents over 429% ROI. The forecaster's sentiment is bearish for the time being. Digitalcoin's shorter-term forecast is conservative, and its end-of-year price target is $1.28. Of the 26 technical indicators used, 10 portray a selling sentiment, another 10 are neutral, and 6 recommend buying. The STORJ price prediction for 2030 available from Digitalcoin's analysts gives an average of $4.49. By January 2025, the STORJ coin price prediction is expected to hit $1.83. January 2026 should be $1.74. January 2027 at $42.15. January 2028 at $3, and January 2029 at $4.03. The STORJ price prediction at gov.capital has a target price of $1.87 over the next 12 months, and a price target of $7.32 over 5 years. Within a shorter time frame, it's expected to stay above the dollar barrier from September 2022. PricePrediction.net offers a STORJ price prediction for 2030, suggesting that the coin could rise to $28.59. Of course, these metrics are only estimates and should only be viewed as a guide. Many factors could affect the price of STORJ, including overall user uptake of the overarching DCS platform, market competition, regulation, and many other external possibilities. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. Which topics would you like to see clash with each other in the next video? Let us know in the comments. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.